How much power is consumed in walking? Let us assume that an adult human is of mass 60 kg and there is a table for approximate power consumption. In sleeping, an adult human consumes around 75 watt, in slow walking 200, bicycling 500, and the heartbeat it takes around 1.2 watt. There is a difference between the work in actuality and in physics. If a woman is standing with very heavy load on her head, she may get tired. But here, no mechanical work is involved. We don't say that she is not doing any work. So let us see about walking. Just consider a person walking with constant velocity v or v sub 0. Now the mechanical work he does, how to estimate it? We can simply use the work energy theorem. And we'll assume something, that the major work done in walking is due to acceleration and deceleration of the legs, because of each stride when you walk. Say if you lift one leg, then you put this leg, and meanwhile you lift the leg which was on the ground, and then you again put this leg back. So this is called one stride. We neglect the air resistance. We also neglect the small work done in lifting the legs against the gravity, and we will neglect the swinging of hand, that is why very common in walking. So this is one stride, means from taking the one leg from rest and then again putting it to rest. So the work done by one leg in each stride, we know the work energy theorem, it will be mv square. This m is with L sub L. This L is the mass of the leg. This mv square by 2 is the energy which is expended by one set of leg to bring the foot from rest to speed v0, and there is additional mv0 square by 2. This is expended by a complementary set of leg muscles to bring the foot to rest from speed v0. So what will be the work done? Work done will be mv square by 2 plus mv square by 2. That is, if this is work energy theorem and we have two legs, so it will be 2 into mv square. So this will be 2 into mv square, ml and v0 square. Now let us assume that the mass is 10 kg, right? Mass of one leg is 10 kg, and the person is running slowly, say 3 meter per second. So what will be ws, that is the work, is when we are putting this m equal to 10 and v equal to 3. This is work done. Now if we take the stride to be around 2 meter long, you can take 1.5, and he covers say 1.5 strides per second. Per second he takes 1.5 strides, and speed is 3. So 180 joule per stride was the work done, and then 1.5 strides per second. If you multiply this stride cancels, and this is joule per second power. 180 into 1.5, that is 270 watt. So this 270 watt is the this is the lower estimate, because we have neglected various things. This is the lower estimate of the power which is expended in walking. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself.